Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Yes, my name is Simone. I have English name. My
Oh, okay.
English name is Amy R.
Emiya.
Yeah, Amy R. This name
Emiya.
the meaning of this name is simple life.
La, the symbol of life. That is so cool. Emiya. Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So where are you from, Emiya?
Yes, I'm from Myanmar.
Myanmar. Oh, very
Yeah.
good. What part of Myanmar?
Um, Yangon City. Yeah.
Yangon City.
This is the commercial city in Myanmar.
Oh, very good. Oh, I'm so excited. This is really great to have you here. So tell me about your English. Oh, my camera's a little out of focus. Hold on. Tell me about your English journey. When did you start learning English? All that stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, at COVID-19 first week, yeah, at the
Yeah,
COVID-19 first week, I have been studying, yeah, from this time.
from this time. So,
But I'm not satisfied with my English speaking skills.
mhm,
Yes,
yeah, you're not satisfied with your English speaking skills yet, right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And why are you learning English?
Um, there are so many reasons for learning English.
Hmm.
Because uh, so many people in learning English in my country, in our
Hmm.
countries.
Mm.
So English, uh, I think speaking good at in English is very good communication to each other's at work or with other foreign countries.
Yeah,
You, yeah.
yeah.
To my country, many foreigner came to my country.
Ah, many
So
foreigners come to my
yes,
country.
yes. When I see with many foreigners, I want
Hmm.
to speak in English. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
dying to speak.
and dying to speak. That's a good expression. I like that one. Very exciting. So tell me about your life. What do you do
Yes.
for?
I work at a bank.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah,
I
a
work
bank.
at a bank. Hmm.
Yes, I work at a bank. My position is accountant. I
Oh,
work, account department.
accounting
Yeah,
department. That's
yes.
so cool. And so, do you like working at the bank?
What?
Do you like working at the bank?
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, whatever which work. I am very interested in learning accounting fields I like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's so
I always,
wonderful.
yeah. I want to think. Uh, I'm always thinking about the accounting concept. Yeah.
Mm. Well, your English is really good if you've only been learning for what, 10 months? That's amazing.
Yes. Thank you.
That's really good.
Yes.
So tell me about your family.
Yes. My family. There's a 7 members.
Oh,
A big family.
wow.
Yeah.
Big family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I have two elder brothers and two younger brothers. I am middle.
The middle child.
Only one daughter. Yeah, and then my fathers and my mothers. Uh, and but my two elder brothers have married last 2 years. They have a baby
Oh,
girl. Yeah,
oh, so
yeah.
you have
I have two nieces.
two nieces.
Yeah.
Two nieces. Oh, that's so wonderful. And what do you like to do with your nieces?
Yes.
Like to
My niece
play? Do you
yeah,
see
yeah,
them often? Do you see them like at all or what?
yeah, yeah. But their families didn't don't live with my family.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Do they live
yeah,
far?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, they
Yes.
live far.
Sometime maybe once a week. Uh, they 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 comes to
They
my family.
come.
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, that's so cute. I love children.
Yes. My two younger brothers. One is
Uh-huh.
he works at the factory.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, he works at a
Another one.
factory.
Yeah. Another
Mm-hmm.
one. The youngest brother is um grade 10, grade 11 student.
A grade 11 student is your youngest
Yes.
brother.
Yes.
Uh-huh. So how
Yeah.
old are
He
you?
he is. I'm 27 years old.
Oh, I'm 28.
Ah,
That's
yes.
funny. Oh, great. And so, awesome. So tell me about your country. What do you like about it? What do you dislike about it?
Yes. Um, you know, Myanmar is known as everybody knows as Myanmar as a golden land.
Golden Land.
Golden land. Yes. There's
Uh-huh.
so many pagodas in my country,
Oh, okay.
and others so many places such as many beaches, many pagodas,
Mm-hmm.
many parks. Yes. Yeah. There's so many beautiful places.
Wow, yeah. So many beautiful beaches, right?
Yes.
The ocean.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
wonderful. And
Yes.
where have you ever traveled to other places in your country or outside of your country?
Yeah, yes. Before before happening the COVID-19, I
Yeah,
have
before,
traveled.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I have traveled to many pagodas once a year.
Oh, okay, once a year. Where have you
Yeah,
gone?
with my relatives. Yeah.
Oh, okay. With your relatives, you said?
Yes, yes, with my
Oh,
relatives. Yeah.
oh, very cool. And what is your favorite place that you've traveled to?
Yes. I have. I love nature.
Nature.
I love nature.
Uh-huh.
So I am really into traveling the cool mountains. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, mountains, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm from Colorado in the United States,
Yeah.
and we have lots of mountains.
Yes.
I love the mountains too, a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that is so exciting. So tell me, like, what is your goal for learning English? Have you ever seen any of my videos and stuff about learning, about setting goals and stuff like that?
Yeah, yes. I have so many goals for learning English.
Mm-hmm.
These are um I want to be a translator.
Oh, you want to be a
Yeah.
translator. Okay,
Yes.
awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Uh-huh.
Reading is also one of my hobbies.
Oh, okay.
So uh, if I were good at good at learning good at English,
Mm-hmm.
I want to be a translator.
A
Yeah,
translator.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. In
That's
Myanmar to English.
Myanmar to English.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. That's so cool. And so what kind do you have to go to university for that, or do you have to get a certificate or something?
Yeah, yes. I'm graduated from Yangon Institute of Economics.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
But to be a translator, do you have to do more school or just you can just do it?
Yes.
Well, I mean, let me rephrase. So in order to become a translator, do you have to get a certificate, or do you have to do a course or something? Or you just start translating?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah, just a little, not,
Just a little.
not all, not all, not at all.
Not at
Yeah.
all.
I uh
Well, yes.
I am very poor listening. Yeah.
Oh, you're listening.
There's a four skill in English.
Four skills.
Listening is very difficult for me. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Four skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. That's
Yes.
right.
Thank
So, what is the best for you? Speaking, reading, writing?
reading.
Reading. Yeah.
Reading, yes.
Yeah. It's usually the easiest for sure. Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
What have you been reading recently? Any good books?
Uh
Here, I'll share.
Emotional, yes, about emotional books.
Emotional books.
Yes, yes.
Like love?
Yeah.
Love?
Yes.
Romance, love books.
Yeah.
Love books.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. And do you watch television or anything in English?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I usually watch English movies. I
Oh.
think carefully observe from them how actors and actresses are talking and try to imitate from their sentence structures and pronunciations. I always learn from them. Yeah,
Ah, the
by watching
pronunciation.
English. Yeah,
Yeah. Do you watch or
Netflix.
Netflix or YouTube, or where do you watch movies?
Yes, I usually watch uh the kinds of Friends series.
Friends. Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Who's your favorite?
yes,
Who is Ross, Rachel? Who's your
yes,
favorite?
yes. Every actress I like.
Oh, you like them all.
Yeah.
That's so
What
funny.
time is it now in your country?
In my country, it is 4:30 p.m. And you?
4:30 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Now is 10 o'clock,
10
10
o'clock,
p.m.
10
Yes,
p.m. Hmm.
yeah,
Is it sunny outside at 10 p.m.?
yeah, sunny outside.
Oh, okay. I see. I see.
Yeah,
Okay, well, thank you so much, Lynn. It was really nice to meet you.
yes, thank you.
And I will see you another time, hopefully.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah,
Lynn.
see you. Yeah, yeah.